Welcome to our house construction daily activities. This is Utico Engineering Services. What we do here is strictly on house constructions. If you have been following me, you'll discover that this project has been ongoing for about some weeks now. Today, last week I updated the casting of the DPC work. Right now we are done with that phase of job. Today we are looking at formation of the block, and before the end of this week we are looking at taking it up to lintel level. We have already finished forming one course of every of the partition, and the client is satisfied with that. We do this because we don't want to repeat any of our work once we start raising it up to lintel level. Before we start adding more cost to the blocks, we ensure we get adequate approval from our clients based on the partitions of each rooms and the functionality of every space. At this stage, if there's need for any changes, we can make minor adjustments to it, and it is still more economical. Outside that, our cement to sand and water ratio, we try to use 1:4. This is because we need the chalking to have a good strength. Apart from all this, our block wall, we ensure that they are plumb both in vertical and horizontal direction. We try to make sure we use a range in addition with the lines. As we continue, I'm going to be updating you when we get to the lintel level as the work progresses. Please, you can drop your comments on any issues regarding your house construction matters. I will always be here